You've been there, you're working hard on a project, meeting deadlines, checking off tasks. And suddenly your boss jumps in with an email. Can someone please update me on the project status? It's frustrating because they could just read the project plan or check the shared drive. But this happens a lot in the workplace. Managers often need to stay informed about their team's progress and performance. And sometimes they might not have all the context or access to all the information they need. But what if there was a better way? Enter Chat, an AI assistant that can help managers and employees stay on top of their game. Think about it. ChatGPT can be a game changer for busy managers. It can handle all those repetitive tasks that eat up their time, like giving feedback on project plans, sharing updates with stakeholders, even analyzing team performance. That means managers can focus on more strategic initiatives and leave the day-to-day operations to ChatGPT. For instance, imagine your team has a big project coming up. You can use ChatGPT to create a detailed project plan with timelines, responsibilities, and milestones. Then set it to automatically send regular updates to your boss or stakeholders. No more manual labor. ChatGPT can also help with performance reviews. You can use it to analyze team performance data, identify strengths and weaknesses, and suggest areas for improvement. ChatGPT can even generate personalized feedback for each team member based on their role and responsibilities. But some might argue that these tasks are easy for humans and that replacing them with AI is taking things too far. However, the truth is that many of these tasks are time-consuming and require a lot of attention to detail. By automating them with ChatGPT, managers can free up their time from more important matters and still get accurate, up-to-date information. In fact, a recent study by McKinsey found that AI-powered tools like ChatGPT can help managers make better decisions, improve their leadership skills, and ultimately drive better business outcomes. The bottom line, Chat can be a game changer for managers who want to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing AI technology, managers can streamline their workflows, make better decisions, and ultimately lead their teams to success. But remember, Chat is not a magic bullet. It is important to have clear goals and metrics for your team and to use ChatGPT to support those goals, not replace them. Additionally, it is crucial to remember that Chat lacks the emotional intelligence and critical thinking skills that great leaders possess. It's good at following instructions and performing repetitive tasks, but it can't really understand the nuances of human interaction or the complexities of the business environment. It can't replace your boss in terms of leadership, vision, and empathy, but it might just be able to handle some of those pesky tasks they hate doing.